This is the house that we are working on. Over here is the existing house. This is the new addition. So we'll zoom in towards the new addition side. And there is 1, 2, 3 garages and 1 people door. The dimensions are about 20 feet. Can't quite see it on the camera here, by 55 feet I think it is. And so that is what we're working on right now with the footings. And here is the stairway, concrete steps that are being installed. Okay, and this is what the house is going to look like. This hatched shaded area is the addition. This is the new driveway that's going to go in. This is the new septic field that we have to install. This is the upstairs floor plan of the new addition. So the existing house is here, and this is where the new kitchen is going to be. This is a family room, stairway up, bathroom, laundry room, master bedroom, master bathroom. This is what the house will look like from the street, and this area here is the addition, and that is the existing house. This is the existing house here, and this is the addition, and here are the garage doors, people door, stairway. The concrete stairs are right about here. This image shows the addition with some of the concrete work that's going to be involved. These are footings. There's the slab. Here are some posts and beams. It's going to have scissor trusses, and there's the existing house, and then there will be a new deck. So this is what's happening right now. These are footings for the deck, and we'll be adding some more up here that are not shown. This is the foundation walls for the house, and there's a footing that goes across here too. This here's an entryway with a couple of footings under a slab, and this is the stairway here. This curved wall was deleted. The drain that I've been working on is under here. It comes out from under the house and will go here, and then it will come up through the closet in under the stairwell, and then that will hook up to the master bathroom and new laundry room and guest bath. And then we're also going to bring a 2-inch pipe up here, and that will serve the new kitchen sink over here. This is just the framing plan. It shows the 7.5 by 11 7/8 beams that go across, and then these are all truss joists with hangers in the center. It is episode 3, day 2 that I've been here. We've got our forms are here. got the cement form crew is here. And they've got the forms laid out. They're going to do the wall forms tomorrow, I believe. They still have to, actually it might be a couple days, they have to get all the rebar in place. And then we have an oil line for the old oil furnace we have to deal with. And I think what we're probably going to have to do is put some access ways through the floor to be able to get to the 2 flare footings. And then over here we have finished up our connection into the sewer line, and this is how you connect the branch line up into a new sewer line. And there you see the stainless steel couplers. And so we've got a 20-foot run, and so we have a little bit of a slope, about a 2-inch rise above the center plane, going into the side of the Y fitting. So we have our test plug here, got the end cap here, and we'll do a test here for the inspector here in a couple days. We can't do it until we can get the rest of the pipe run out to where there is a form, a concrete wall going up. We have to go through the wall and come up under the stairway. So that'll be the next thing we have to show you. Let me just take this picture here again. Okay, that shows the lift. Then, yeah, so here's our mound of dirt. Get it back into focus. So over here, we have to connect up to this 1.25 inch copper water main line. So here's the main line. What they've done in the past is 1.25 inch pipe goes over there to a reducer to 3/4 inch, and then it comes down, and they have it set up to go into a ball valve, and then from there it runs over and connects up into the house, which I don't know if I can see that from here. So that's the next thing we have to do, is put a T here, and then we'll come across here through the wall and over to about here, which is the new water heater location right there. Then we have to relocate this electrical service panel too. The service drop is on the other side of the wall, the remnant of the wall that the panel is connected to right now. So we got a lot of hustling to do. And there you see the dig for the stairwell, and so anyway, okay, that's what we did today. A lot going on.